girls with their nails done now. Girls with their nails done. I like the girls with their nails done. Girls with their nails done.
Wake up, check your phone. Ignore the alarm, you're still alone. Wake up, rewind the night. Who are you? But also kind of who am I? Wake up, check your phone. Pre-party for the apocalypse, don't forget to RSVP. Think about how the polar bears are running out of ice. But hey, this photo got a lot of likes. Get down, but don't feel down. This is why we can't have nice things, like a clean car or world peace. So have to sleep from your eyes. Supersize your vibe. Wake up, check your phone. Wake up, check your phone. Don't feel down. Check your phone. Drink until it feels right. Drink until it feels right. Check your phone. Check your phone. Check your phone. Wake up to the American dream. Cherry Coke in the bathroom of a club. Influence you. Influence me. Under the influence of my own anxiety. Check your phone. Get some new clothes. Not sure where to begin. Still stuck in my own skin. Dennis Robin, 96, 97, even 99. What a time to be alive. Start a podcast, become a DJ. Try and fill the void inside. I'd be lying if I didn't say that sounds nice. Wake up, check your phone. But the batteries died. Wake up, check your phone. Brush your teeth, count your calories. Single-use plastic, how tragic. Fake friends, real problems. Check your phone, but you're still alone. Wake up. Bees are dying off. It's kinda sad. Oh, my bad. Can I have a +1? Look directly in the sun. Get on the dance floor. Put your hands in the air. 24/7. Loneliness. Live stream. No regrets.
Check your phone.